Hey, so here's the quickest way how you can check and recover your deleted search history on Instagram. So first you have to open up your Instagram and tap on your profile. Now hit on hamburger menu and go to account center. And from here find the option your information and permissions, then choose export your information. After that just go to create export and select your Instagram account. Next, choose where you want to export your files. I'm selecting export to device, but you can also choose an external service. And after that, from this page, you have to select things perfectly. So first from the notify section, you have to add your email or select your email if you find it here. Now tap on customize information. So after that, you have to clear all sections one by one. And when you reach logged information, and from here you have to clear all first, then select only recent searches. Then you have to clear all other information, and before you save it, just check one more time that you actually selected this recent searches option. Next, you can choose the date range by your preference. You can customize it, but I'm selecting all time and saving it. And lastly, for format and media quality, just keep everything as default. Now when you are okay, just tap start export and enter your Instagram password. Then hit continue, and after that you will see a message saying your information is being prepared for export. And now from here you will find this request option. So this part actually takes some time, usually 15 to 30 minutes. So once it's ready, you will get a notification. So just refresh the page and tap download. Then confirm download. And after downloading, you have to open up the Files app on your phone, then go to Downloads folder. You will see a zip file like this. Just tap on it to uncompress and open the folder. Then here you will see this option logged information, and inside that you will find another folder recent searches. And here's the main part. You will see files like profile searches, so just open it and zoom in if needed. And here you can find all your recently searched history, and along with that you will find another files which is word or phrase searches. And from here you have to zoom it, and you must find here all of your deleted search history with date and time. And I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.